Hello. Sweating to death. Got a load of brick on. We got down to Texas, got unloaded, went over and picked up some stuff for the Progress Railroad, Progress Rail, coming up here to Kentucky. Then came over here and picked up a load of brick. Oh, what the hell you call it? Yeah, brick. Load of brick. Going up to Monee, Illinois. Under further investigation, under last video was me getting the oil change done at Speedco. I will never do that again. Dude that I called on the phone lied to me. I asked for 15W40 synthetic blend oil. He said, oh, okay, hold on a minute. Quoted me a price on that, $356.70. Okay, cool, no problem. So he said he had it. I get down there to do the oil change. They don't carry it. Not only do they not carry it, they had already dumped my oil and started putting in 10W30. Thank God for the Lucas I dumped in on top before they put that in there. To thicken it up a little bit. So get down. Get down to Texas Sunday night. Couldn't do anything Monday night or Saturday night. It was freaking raining as soon as I left out of there. Got down there to Rockwall, down to the Gandhi Mart I stopped at, and proceeded to start looking around the truck and all that. And come to find out, he didn't grease the front end. He didn't grease nothing. All he did was the freaking steering box underneath. That was it. Nothing else had been greased on the front end. So as far as I'm concerned, Speedco can go themselves. Troy, Illinois. Do not go to Speedco. Understaffed. Half of them don't know a thing about what the hell they're doing. So I'll get that other one updated and all that shit. We got to go up to Monee, Illinois, and that. Monee. 45,000 pounds of brick on. So I'm just sitting here chillaxing real quick after sweating the arse off. It ain't hot, it's just humid. I gotta figure out how to get out of this place. Wish I could turn this thing around and do the driving as I freaking get out of here, but I ain't that tech savvy. So until next time. Gonna head up. It's a job site up there to Monee golf court or some crap. So we will see y'all on the next one.